Hey everyone, Tanner here with Skope. Today we're going to talk about the Skope warranty. Our Skope products are covered under a full lifetime no fault guarantee and warranty. So if anything happens to that case, whether it's a manufacturer's defect or something that you did, we'll gladly replace it. If you break the phone case in half for some reason, let us know. We'll replace it at no charge. We've had cases that are burned down in trucks, impacts, had items dropped on them, broke them. You step on it, you run it over with your truck. Doesn't matter, it's covered under a full lifetime warranty. That is the main advantage with purchasing with Skope, is that for any reason our product fails, or if you cause damage to the product, we'll take care of you. That goes for all of our Skope products, whether it's a Skope case, an optic adapter, our Bluetooth shutter remote, whatever it may be. If something happens to it, let us know. We'll work with you to get a replacement. If you have questions, guys, drop us a line, support@phoneskope.com. You're welcome to give us a call, 800-790-4480. Thanks for watching.